Football starts right now. Hello everyone, welcome to this edition of football. I'm Brace Turner. Here's a look at the scores and schedule. First up, here's a look at the schedule where the Little Caesars Pizza Bowl will take place today. Pittsburgh will face Bowling Green. It starts at 6 p.m. Eastern Time and can be seen on ESPN in the US and on Sportsnet 360 in Canada. Then later is the San Diego County Credit Union Poinsettia Bowl. It begins at 9:30 Eastern Time, where Utah State will face Northern Illinois. It can be seen on ESPN and Sportsnet 360. Then tomorrow, Friday, December 27th, the action starts out with the Military Bowl presented by Northrop Grumman. Marshall will face Maryland. It starts at 2:30 p.m. Eastern Time and can be seen on ESPN and TSN2. Then at 6 Eastern Time is the Texas Bowl, Syracuse versus Minnesota. It can be seen on ESPN in the US and on sports packages across Canada. And at 9:30 p.m. Eastern Time is the Fight Hunger Bowl between BYU and Washington. It can be seen on ESPN and sports packages across Canada. And the first game on Saturday is the New Era Pinstripe Bowl between Rutgers and Notre Dame. It starts at noon Eastern Time and can be seen on ESPN and Sportsnet 360. And here are a look at the scores. East Carolina beat Ohio 37-20 on Monday, and then Oregon State defeated Boise State 38-23 on Tuesday night. And today I'm outside of the studio where I'll be speaking with high school football player Quinn Turner, who will be on the show December 31st, January 1st, and January 4th. And the next edition of football will be posted this Saturday, December 28th. Thanks for watching this edition of football. I'm Bryce Turner. Enjoy the games.